Kyoto, the Group Managing Director of Dark Communication PLC.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely welcome the GMD and members of your team to Port Harcourt and in particular Government House. And let me also, on behalf of the government and people of the state, most sincerely thank you for this award through me to the state. I believe that this award is for the people of the state. And to the glory of God, we dedicate this award to the God Almighty. Let me just say this clearly, and I hope the two members of the board who are from Rivers State did not in any way influence this award. So it's good. Okay, so it's better for you to use your mouth to say they're not about it. Because you see, what I found out in Nigeria is that sometimes when you say awards are being given, you begin to justify why such awards. And even those who the awards are given to do not even ask themselves question, in my conscience, do I merit this award? You know, so everything has become political. So it is difficult now even to say which award is real, which award is not real. But we have our conscience clear because we do know we can challenge anybody of what we have done to the glory of God. It is there for the eyes to see. It's not for us to tell you. And we want to thank you and continue to impress on you. Please, 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 when you give award to people, it try to encourage them to work more. And those that do not work will begin to have some kind of motivation. Look, I have to work. When people say what you are doing, the second time is more than what you are doing the first time. We're creating an impression that you're only supposed to stop working when after your first tenure. And so you give the impression to politicians that the second tenure is like a jamboree. You have finished working the first tenure. But you are elected to work till the end of their second tenure, which by the grace of God expires in the midnight of 28th of May 2023. So for us, service is key. We will continue to do the best we can do till that time when we know that our tenure ends. So for us, it's not a question of first tenure or second tenure. And I can assure you that we will not relent. In fact, just because of the business of schedules, but we believe that from the first week of June, of December, we'll start another round of commissioning and flagging off of projects. And you can be assured that no project will be left abandoned, not one. We are not here to create problems for our successors. We are here to make things easier, even though we didn't find it easy when we came, but that does not mean that we'll do the same thing. So thank you for honoring us and for remembering the little quota we have contributed toward the development of the state and Nigeria in general.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.